Saturday, the 14th day of September 2024, and we're at Sycamore Shoals Visitor Center. Gonna walk a trail here. This is the entrance to it. See that statue there? The building goes down that way. Flags. Building there. So we're gonna go in here, figure out about this trail, and go walk it. This is the inside of the visitor center. Check out that picture there. The three lights look like three big fingerprints. Then they got that big mural there. And this guy's hiding behind this tree, waiting to get an Indian, I'm sure. There's something about the frontier settlement. With that big old rifle in there. Ooh, there are the stones. Must have been right there. All these tools. Build your cabin, work your land with. Here's one for the Cherokee people. Some of their stuff. Planting corn. That's the way they lived according to this. See this little fence. Signing of a land lease there. Okay, so they got a gavel, so they use this for the court probably that we saw earlier at the cover bridge. Got some stuff here. Back here in this corner. Okay, it's about various people there. There's a map. Big map. Indian signing the treaty. Oh, over there. Fort, apparently. One water. American Revolution. Another big old rifle. Tomahawk knife. Flintstones and things. More the Indian. There you go. The Cherokee War. Part of the fort. As you can see. So there you go. So that woman you saw on the outside was pouring water. This guy's got a gun to shoot. And here's a reenactment, obviously, of all of that. Woman's up on the ladder pouring that water. Here's documents. Patience Cooper Land Grant. Wow, look at that. Look how old that stuff is. Candle in the window. Fellow with a drum. And let's see what we got on this side. Got a little fire. There's these fellas, I'm sure.
I always hoped
ready for battle.
Would keep us safe from British invasion, but now that hope's gone. That dog Ferguson has threatened to march his army over the mountains, hang our leaders, and lay waste to our country with fire and sword. Tomorrow is the 25th. I expect we'll know then how many answered severe in Shelby's call to muster in defense of our homes. The Bulldog, Ferguson, no doubt he has a mighty army under his command. I pray enough able-bodied men come here to the shoals to fight for our patriot cause. My wife, my children, it haunts me to think I may never see my family again. And while we're gone, who'll care for them and protect them? Nobody seems to know where Ferguson is. Nobody seems to know where we're going. I've been in many a scrap with the Indians, but this will be a different kind of fight. Many a brave lad will not return, and I could be one of those men. But if my life is the price for my children to be free, I will gladly give it.
There you go. A couple of big pots here. Kings Mountain 1780.
I always hope these mountains.
And then here, I guess there's a, yeah, definitely an encampment up there.
That dog Ferguson has
Check
threatened
that
to march his
Pretty cool. They got a theater movie, but we got things to do, so there's that. And that's the beginning and the end. Alright, so here's a replica of the fort, obviously. Got these guys standing over here. So we'll see what they do. Oh, that guy's late for formation. Did not throw him out of the army.
All we're going to do is we're going to do one single file, 6 riflemen.
Pretty cool. So we didn't go inside the fort. They're going to be doing some, they got some kind of a big event going here. But we need to do this walk. Here, I'll just show you. There, looking through the fort. See the chairs they got set up. A few little buildings there. So there, you saw the inside of the fort. Alright, cool. And then this is where the walk's going to start. Here's the outside of this building. Oh, they got a nice amphitheater over here too. So, check that out. Yeah, this might just be to this amphitheater. So yeah, we're thinking the trail's over that way now. But anyway, yeah, I just want to get that. Get this side of the fort just so you can see that. And that's back where we came from. Alright, let's go to the trail and see what we can do there. Alright, so on that sign right there says Sycamore Shoals Trail. And you can get a look at that. But this main trail that we were on is this one. Where we just started. You can see it looks like more of a defined trail. Got a trash can down here. We're just going to follow these and maybe it just loops around, I'm not sure. Nice and woodsy. See that? So I would say this is classic Tennessee. Alright, yeah, looks like we might have a fort down here, so let's go look at it and see what we got. Looks like that tree there's had a bad day. See it going through there, then we got water all through there. See it better through that way. And then the trail continues. And over on the left side of the trail, just got the big thick wood again. And that little stump right there. Alright, so we'll keep seeing what we got. Alright, we ran across this little tiny tree here. You can see how tiny it is. The thing is wide, and then look at all these here. I'll get you up close. Look at all these bumps that one day will be broad wood. And looks like back there is some already. So pretty nice. And that limb going up there. Alright, let's keep going. Found a little bit of a throne, looks like, in the woods. Too hard to get up into and out of. Don't want to do that, but just want to bring that to you. And we'll keep on going, and just as a quick glance, I'll just show you more of the river. It looks like it's really shallow, so not too much down there. So I made it out past this beautiful woman. Come out through these rocks here, you can see. And down this big, gigantic rock right here. Right there's the water running. Take a listen to how loud this is. You see we got a downed tree out there. And so it looks like the water is rushing around it down there, going on down then. We got these ducks right there all having breakfast. And you see this is where it's starting to get louder and everything. And there's an RV park right across the river over there. Pretty cool. Got this limb right here above my head. Nice little scene. Hope you like this part of this video. Alright, so we've come to a bridge. Now I think this is going to loop around and we'll come out right there. So that is bridge. So you can see it says Tennessee RTP, Recreation Trails Program, what that stands for. Right up there's the water. Got us a little creek right here on this side. And then this is where the water is running faster. It's getting closer to that tree. Well, there's another trail goes down that way right there. So we'll go figure this out here. But hopefully you hear the sound of that water coming through there. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I know you're going to hear it here in a second. Yeah, we got more big rocks out here. Let's see what the situation is and what we can find out down here. So here you go. Yeah, here we're very close to that tree, but that's not actually a down tree, it's above the water. Okay, so I guess it's getting more shallow here and bigger rocks, so it's making it run harder. So it's not what I thought it was, but look at the sky, it's getting better. Got a little bit of fall color right there at my feet. Pretty nice setting, I like it. Alright, so we come down just a little way and look at this. We got the tree. So every time I think I got the best shot, I come to a better shot, which is this one. Listen to this river for a minute. Not a bad sight, huh? Rising up from the brush, we come to the river, and you see part of the noise where this is coming down this way, out there, it's coming in towards us that way. So that's where a lot of this sound is coming from. Pretty nice visual, huh? I like it. There's some fall color in that area over there that we can see. So here, once again, just take 5 or 10 seconds, take a listen to this. Alright, I hope you like that. Let's keep going here. Alright, I found another little trail down here right next to the water. Thought I'd bring you this little waterfall here. I hope you like this. Look at all these rocks here. Of course, we got this big limb right here. That's a different one than the tree that's on back over there beyond it. It's a nice little vignette here. And then you got that over there that's coming in again. So hopefully you can see that a little bit better from this angle. And we'll look down the river this way. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, this will probably be the last water shot. But we're looking all the way up now. I need to bring this to you because you see that area right there that we can see the whole opening of all that water coming into this one. It's not as loud down here as you can hear. But it is going, and there's a nice leaf floating right down the river. Just imagine yourself as that leaf. And that's the river. You see how wide it is. But just wanted to bring this to you. Check out this nice rocky area here, and I'm standing on a great big rock myself. So, nice fall color over in there. Alright, so we'll keep on going. If I find anything more interesting, I will bring it to you. Okay, I'm still standing in the same place, but I'd be remiss if I did not bring you this view. You can see the bridge right there. We'll be crossing that, so it's our next bridge. Let's go over to that, and I'll bring that to you. Alright, promise you the view from the bridge, and here it is. Let's go through here. I'll first show you this scene right here. That is down there where I was standing. I just shot it on that last clip right there. So, get a good view of that. Okay, how you doing again? And then that's the other side of it. See, it's a little tiny bit of water, not too much rain, but there is some. Mostly rocky. A lot of little yellow flowers on these bushes here. And as we finish out the bridge, go this way, and you can see we got more of the yellow flowers down there. So let's go see what else we got. I don't think too much, but let's go see. Alright, we're at the end of the loop here. I'm gonna have to raise you up and show you these flowers out here, for hopefully you can get a better look at them than I can from here. So let's check this out. I hope that part looked good. Let's check these out over here. Got these yellow ones here. And then we got these pinkish purplish ones over there. Yeah, I'll get you closer. There we go. Alright, let's go finish the loop here. Okay, we're almost back to the start, but I just wanted to show you some of these little flowers, this flower bed. Start with that one. That one's cute, I think. So you can walk in there, so I might do that in a minute, but I just wanted to show you this kind of overview of all of these. See those there. Get past this beautiful woman here. Don't know who she is, but there's a nice little vignette right there. See those white ones in the back yonder? All these yellow ones. They've got an absolute time. I think those are black-eyed Susans, maybe. Don't count on me to be right though, because flower names are not my thing. I just know what's pretty, and that's all I know for sure. Yeah, here, see, you can go back in there, but it's kind of weedy. But just wanted to bring this to you so you can see a part of it. And that right there is the beginning of the parking lot right back up there. Alright, so I was here once, looked at this, but we did not do this. This is just a very short trail, goes around in a horseshoe loop, Sycamore Shoals Trail. I'll take us out in a minute on the main trail, but just want to show you a little bit. It's different. You see the other one's gravel. This is more mulch, leaves, dirt, and very thick woods. And look at all these trees that grew together. Wow, that's pretty wild. And looks like the river's back out over there. So I guess that's a short trail, so probably be all I'll bring it to you here. Straight over there is the RV park that we've looked at and I showed you once or twice. See the nice reflections in the water. A nice big brown house right there, or a building. There's a boat ramp right over in there. And here's the scene that I just shot, took a picture of. You see the fall color, the reflections, the rocks here as I bring this down. You can see the sky and the water even. No sun at all, so that's nice for walking. And there, take you up a little higher. Nice scene, huh? Let's end it with that little bit of flowing right there. Okay, wanted to just go ahead and finish up the video. I'm back to the truck here. You can see. Just wanted to make sure you close the video out, do all the thumbs up, and do all the subscribing, you know, all that good stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know I've enjoyed this walk. It's been beautiful, cloudy, so no sun, and just felt really nice all day today. So we're on to our next adventure, and you'll see that starting in the next video. See you there.